One of the things that I've actually been able to do in order to make extra money is to do some graphics work and some video work. Now, before you start telling me, Eric, forget it, I'm not interested, I know nothing about graphics, I don't know anything about video, I can't do it, I don't know. Let me tell you something, I don't know anything about these things either, okay? The only thing I do know how to do is customize stuff that's already been put together. I can put, if he asks me to put something together completely from scratch, forget it. I can't do it. But if you tell me, hey, you know what, go and take a couple of videos and basically string them together, I can do that. And I'm actually going to show you how to do that also in my custom bonus. I'm going to tell you all about it coming up in my review of the Massive Media Blowout. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora well pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull successfully.
You look stunning in that hat.
Thank you so much. That is so kind of you to say. There's only a few of us who can do that, who can actually look fabulous in a hat. I am one of them. But my buddies Raymond and Neil Caffrey, from White Collar, they also know how to do that. But not everybody can pull a hat off, but I can. Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. There are a few software and info products, and they make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying much of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Okay, seriously, dude. Get a life. Nobody wants the crap except you. Anyhow, if you are new, make sure you go ahead. The way things work here, right? I forgot to tell you that. The way things work here, if I like a product, I'll give it to my product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz. Now, you see, Liz, she used to be my fellow New Yorker. I now live in a beautiful small town in Western Pennsylvania that I absolutely adore. But you know what? Who can get angry at Liz? She's a sweetheart. Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Just frankly, subscribe. Doesn't mean much you're on YouTube anymore. Make sure you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Because looking right now at the sales page for the Massive Media Blowout, this is from my friend Vikram. This is truly insane. You're getting 3 million, 3 million video assets, graphics assets, vector assets. Like I'll show you the members there in just a second. 3 million of them for $12.95. Okay, so basically any graphics or video assets that you need, you're gonna get it included for free basically with this package. You pretty much don't need anything else. And I'm not gonna try to offer you something else because like anything I could offer you as far as that's concerned would be a paltry thing. It would be like, what's the point? Like, okay, I'll give you another couple of thousand graphics. Okay, you got 3 million of them, so I'm gonna give you a couple thousand more. It's not gonna help. Instead, what I'm gonna do for you is like this. I'm gonna give you something that you actually do have use for. So first of all, I'm going to give you my own course on using Davinci Resolve, which is a high-end free video platform. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Davinci Resolve, and very few people know how to do this. It's a very, very complicated program, but you can get it for free. And that's what I use for editing all of my videos, and it's a great product which really does do the job extremely, extremely well. I'm going to give you my video on that for free. Plus, I'm going to give you 2 courses on graphics where you can do graphics work completely for free. Basically, you're going to be able to use all these things. Plus, I'm going to give you something else. I'm going to give you my personal guide to various marketplaces where you can actually go ahead and sell graphic services. And again, this is something I do not know how to do myself, okay? All you have to do is follow my guide, use this list of graphics resources, and you will be able to get in and go and use this system completely for free. Pick up any upgrade to the Massive Media Blowout, and I'm also going to give you 100 ebook covers plus an expanded list of marketplaces. I have a list, I think it's about 10, 12 marketplaces that I found, and then I have a 25 marketplace list that you'll get together with the 100 ebook covers. You can pick up any upgrade from me. So let's see if I'm going to give a tip answer to the product creator or not. Actually, first, let's take a look at the members area real quick. Okay, that's not what I wanted. 1 second. Let me pause the video real quick so I can go ahead and find you the members area. Okay, so here's the members area. You can see here, they have a massive package of stock images, videos. They have audio files. They have Ultra HD 4K files. They have logo templates. They have graphics. They have vector images, animated avatar images, motion background video. I mean, literally everything you could possibly need. And it comes with PLR, by the way. So you can actually sell these, use it as a bonus, use it for your own products, wherever you like. It's all included for $12.95. And of course, again, when you pick it up from me, you're getting my courses to teach you how to use this stuff, plus my list, my exclusive list of marketplaces. You can actually sell these things and make money off of them very easily. Pick up any upgrade. Again, you're going to get the 100 pack of ebook covers along with my personal 25 places to sell these services on. Now you're going to get all of these things included. Obviously, you can see they have some ebook coverage. I'm going to give you a lot more that are even nicer than those, though, with the 100 packs. So you get like literally all of this stuff, and it's $12.95. Let's see if I can give it to Master Product Creator or not.
I tip my hat to you.
Yes, seriously. Okay, huge tip of my hat. This is awesome. This is an insane bargain. Grab this, you're going to love it.